Hello everyone, welcome to my live stream today. We are a company named Henan JINRUI Holding, and this is my biggest company named Doing Holdings Limited Company. Okay, so today I will introduce about the Henan JINRUI Food Engineering Limited Company and also introduce about our Doing Holdings. Okay. And if you are interested in the machine or processing line, like the cassava processing line, cassava starch processing line, Garri processing line, and also fufu processing line, you can focus on my live stream. Okay, so here we go. Here is first of all, let me introduce our company. And this photo, okay, so fast. This photo is about our company's office. Looks like this. We are a company in China, and also our company is in Henan province. So if you are interested in the Garri or fufu or starch processing line, also we have the sweet potato starch processing line. So if you are interested in the details of the different kind of machine or different equipment or processing line, you can all focus on my live stream, okay? And look at the bottom of my live stream. Here is the photos of the delivery of our company's equipment, and also here is our profile. Our company is in the Henan Zhengzhou, and the company is near to the air station and also near to the train station. So if you come to Henan province, you can easily find our salesperson, and they will take a ride to you, and we can provide a car, and the car can make you to go to the hotel or go to our company's office or go to our company's factory. Let's have a look, okay? See more details of our company. And also here is our factory. Our factory is like a 40 minutes car ride. It's near to the office, but this is in Henan, 叫做无治. It's another town in Henan province. So maybe it is not so far, but it takes 40 minutes car ride. And also, if you guys are in the Nigeria, our company also have a warehouse in Nigeria, and not only a warehouse, and also the native people see your language in the Nigeria. And if you are interested in our company, you can directly go to the Nigeria office or Nigeria warehouse to have a look, okay? And here is the photos like we deliver the different kind of equipment to the all over the world. This is cassava, different cassava machine to the different country or different city. And here is our new factory. And here is what we need. Our main products are the sweet potato starch production line and the potato starch production line, and many different kind of potato starch processing line. And also we have the cassava starch production line, cassava flour production line, and also other starch complete equipment and standalone equipment. We can all sell or send this equipment to you very directly because we have a warehouse in Nigeria. Okay? So no problem. No problem. So let's continue. Here's photos. The bottom two photos are our workmates, are the local workmates, like they are Nigeria people, and she is our salesperson. They are in Nigeria factory, okay, and they can introduce more details to you. Of course, if you are interested in our company, in our machine, or our processing lines detail, you can leave your WhatsApp number to me, okay? And you can send a private message to me and send about your WhatsApp number or your phone number. We all can find you more directly. Okay, so these two pictures are our salesperson with our customers in our factory. Yes, here is factory. The factory, of course, it is in the other place, in the Jiaozhuo town. And here is another processing factory, and this factory is called Garri Oil Fats Engineering Limited Company. This is another company, and it is also below to Doing Holdings. So this company's main production line is the edible oil processing machine, like all kinds of pretreatment, processing, leaching, refining, and frication, winterization, and dewaxing equipment. Here is different thing in this company. And also here is the solid hazardous waste treatment and sorting plant. So if you guys are interested in all kinds of this processing line, or only one, and you are only interested in one of the processing line, you can all leave a message to me, okay? Yes, thank you. And here is a metal and plastic separating machine. Here is a different processing line. We have 4 processing line, and this one we also have. Here is our ISO certificate. So if you are worried about, you are Chinese people, we don't trust the Chinese people. No, you are wrong. Okay, look at these pictures. They are real because we send the different machine to the different countries, to the different regions, and they all give us a good feedback. Okay, and here we go. Also, national patents. Here is factory machinery equipment. So don't worry if you are you want to talking to me. I will give you a good feedback. Here is our factory sleeve show. Look at that. And we are very national company. Team show, and he is our boss. His name is John, and he is very busy. Maybe he is living in America, and now maybe he is in Henan province. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure where he go. And he is our boss. And our equipment is selling to all over the world. It's over than 19 countries and regions worldwide, and it's highly praised by users. So please be very satisfied with us. Here is our international trading team. So if you want to come into China one day, they will treatment you. And also they are the international team. And here is our workers in the factory, producting team. And here is our project cases. Look at that. And you can see all the project is not only we will deliver it to China, but also deliver it to the Indonesia or Laos and Thailand and many like Nigeria, and also our Nigeria warehouse there have the processing line or single machine. So if you are interested in the Nigeria warehouse, you can also leave a message to me, and you can go to the warehouse directly, and the native people will treatment you. Okay, don't worry. We are not only have the Chinese salesperson, we also have the how your country's guys. And also here is a potato starch project in China. Yes, so if you are interested in the potato starch or cassava starch or fufu, Garri, you can also leave a message to me, okay? And look at this line. This line said, "Want to know the price? Please leave a message," okay? Don't worry, I will tell you all the things I know. And this one is a project in Indonesia. Here is a cassava starch project in Nigeria. And also, if you are interested in the Nigeria warehouse, you can also leave a message to me. And here is the Tanzania warehouse. It is a 4 ton per hour cassava flour project. And in the DR Congo, Uganda, and look at this picture. They are all our customers. Sure, they are in the different colors of their skin, but they are all price our machine. Here is the delivery photos, and also at bottom of my video here is also the delivery photos. And look at here, if you want to deliver some little thing, we will give you a wooden box. It is more safe. And this one is a customer factory installation. Also, here is equipment introduction. And our equipment are all in this. First of all, this is a feeding hopper. This is for the short storage of the raw cassava and the unit for feeding, right? So here is a vibrating device. It can make the cassava more separately on the belt conveyor, and the belt conveyor will send the cassava to the next step. Okay, here is a belt conveyor. You can see the belt conveyor, all the different kind of longer or shorter we can give to you. And here is the dry sieve, and this one is using for the impurities removal from cassava surface. So this is a big rotary, and the cassava is putting in the rotary, and then it will be friction together, and then the impurities will remove from the surface. Okay, this equipment is for cleaning. It's for cleaning our cassava. And this one named the paddle washing machine. And the first picture is only one salute, single salute one. So if you need or you want the second photos shows like two or double or third different type of the paddle washing machine, you can leave a message. Okay, if you are big in input of the cassava, we suggest you can choose photo 2. Okay, and these photos are used for cassava cleaning and washing. And also this machine we use a negative way to washing the cassava, so it is a very important way to save the water. And this machine is a cutting machine used for pre-crushing of the cassava. Yes, this is for pre-cutting. And if you want to make the cassava milk, or you want to make the garri, you all need to use this machine to make the cassava into the small pieces, like 3 to 5 centimeters longer, like this. So it's easy to make the cassava into the cassava milk. And here is the blood. The blood is making of the 4CR30 material with a hard hardness, and also it can using for a long time. And here is the rasper. Rasper is using for the starch making, only using for the starch. Okay, hello everyone. Here is the JINRUI Food Engineering Limited Company. We are a company mainly made the cassava milk. We are make the cassava starch, or fufu, garri, and also the cassava flour processing line. We are an equipment building factory. So if you are interested in the details of this kind of processing line, please leave a message in the commentary. If I see it, I will answer you. Okay, and here let's introduce about the rasper. The rasper here is a big rotary in this machine. And the blood is made of 65 mm material. If one side is worn out, the other side can be turned over, of course. And what is a two side? Like here is a blood, a long blood, and this one is one side, and the blood, if it have the worn out, and you can change. It's easy to change this side, and it is also can using for a long time. Okay, and here is the centrifuge sieve. It for the cassava starch making. It's used for fiber separation. You only use the first fiber separation. Okay, and we suggest you that you must have five kinds of centrifuge sieve, because it is separation. The fiber and the slurry is carried out by multi-stage washing and screening to ensure the extraction rate of the starch. Okay, so if you want you want only 4 or only 3 multi-stage, that's okay, but you need to talking to our engineer or talk to the salesperson, like I think here is 3 stage is enough. Okay, no problem. And here is the hydrocyclone. Hydrocyclone is using for the separation of the protein and the cell liquids, and also the yellow liquid. So if we want to making a good quality of the starch, we really need this kind of hydrocyclone, because it not only can make the starch be quality more good, but also it can change the color of the cassava starch. And we suggest you can use 18-stage hydrocyclone to ensure the high purification of the starch product and reducing starch loss. And here is many white tube. It named the hydrocyclone tube in it, and the hydrocyclone tube are made of the nylon 16/6. It is very good for eating. And this is also a food grade material with high strength and durability. It should be cleaned regularly, used with a high pressure water gun, cleaning every 1 to 2 months. Okay, and here is a vacuum dehydrator. A vacuum dehydrator, will push out the water in the cassava starch. And this machine is also using for the starch, of course. And if anyone is interested in our machine or in our processing line, you can leave a message in the commentary. Okay, thank you guys, thank you. And here is the vacuum dehydrator. It is used for the starch milk dewatering. It is used for the dewatering. And through this machine, the cassava starch will become the white starch. So the next step, it will be drying the starch. And this big machine named the flash dryer, is used for the starch drying. And in this machine, we use the negative pressure to drying the reduce material loss. It is good for prevent from the explosion and also prevent from the material loss. And we also use the plus design. One thin tube and the other tube may be thick tube, and reduce the speed of the material passing through so fast. Okay, and ensure the drying effect. This is all important in the cassava making. Okay, and at last, here is a sieving machine. It is used for separation of the coarse powder, ensuring fitness of final starch product. It can make the fineness of your powder and also your starch. It's all okay. And here is a PLC cabinet, and you can make the whole processing line be more efficient, be more convenient, and also you can open or you can close your machine on the cabinet. So here is a cable bridge. Cable bridge is using for every machine. It is also important thing. Okay, so thank you for watching our profile of the doing holdings, and also our company named Henan JINRUI Food Engineering Limited Company. And this company is mainly make the cassava starch, fufu starch, and garri, fufu, and also cassava flour. All the things I said, it can be very easy to cook. Okay, so today we are introduced about garri processing line. And what does the garri processing line have? The different kind of equipment. Please look at another one. Look at this 3D animation, okay? And this photos, and this one is for the garri processing line. And this carton is made of our workmate, and he is interested in the carton making. First, we use a fork to put the cassava into the feeding hopper. Okay, wait a moment. Look at here. Here is the feeding hopper's most important thing. This one named the device, vibrating device. It can shake the cassava onto the belt conveyor and then go to the dry sieve. It's through the friction of the cassava with cassava, and then the solid or the grass and the little stone will be pushed out. Here comes the impurities. So if you are interested in our doing holdings, or you are interested in the JINRUI company, you can leave a message in the commentary, okay? Don't worry, and if I say it, I will answer this to you. Okay, so no problem. Here is a paddle washing machine, and the paddle will push the cassava. Go ahead, and it is using a U-track for the cassava moving. It is in a U-track, and also we use the negative washing way, because in this way the cassava will be washing more clearly. And then it will go to the peeling machine. Peeling machine, what this machine means? It will be friction the cassava surface, and it will be peel the skin. And we can't see it so clearly because I want to introduce this kind of machine to you guys. Here are many rollers in this machine, and here is a big sandpaper on the roller, cover the roller. So if the roller is broken or you think the roller is dirty, what can you do? You can push out you can open the lock here, and here is the lock of the sandpaper with roller. You can push it out, and then you will change the sandpaper only, so it will be using again. And you can see that the sandpaper will clean the cassava very quickly. And this one is a cutting machine. It is using for cutting the cassava into the small pieces, right? And in this point, you can also choose a different machine. Like our company have the grinding machine, and also the hammer crusher, and also this one named the cutting machine, right? And so 3 kind of machine you can choose. If you have a big budget, you can choose this one. Okay, if you have a big budget, you can choose the cutting machine. Hello everyone, we are the Doing Holdings, and our company's name is Henan JINRUI Limited Company. We are a company to doing the cassava starch and the cassava flour, garri, fufu, all the thing we can do it. So here comes a little pieces. Okay, and this one is a hammer crusher. Hammer crusher, what's this mean? It will be cut the cassava into the smaller pieces. Maybe it will be push it into the powder. And here is the elevator bucket. Go to these 2 tanks. What the tanks doing? And they are do the fermentation. I know you guys in Africa, you often use the sunlight, right? Sunlight for fermentation. It's all okay. But if you want to choose this kind of 2 tank, it will be save your time, of course. It will save your time. Here is a garri flour. And here is for the fermentation. And also here comes the cassava milk or cassava cake. Here comes the cassava cake. Hello guys, if you are interested in doing holdings, please leave in my live stream. And if you are interested in the price of the processing line or the single equipment, you can also leave a message to me, okay? No problem. And also I will answer your question very directly. Okay, and then the cassava will go to the next stage. Here is the grinding machine again, or the cutting machine. It's all okay. Grinding the cassava cake into this very thin pieces. And then go to the garri fairies. And here you can see our fairies have 2 shafts. One is longer and one is shorter. It will be separately fairs the garri in this big wok. And also in this wok, our company have a special design. It is the wok's bottom. Here is making of the 2 layers, and in the layers here is the oil. So if you want to heating the garri fairies, the oil will be heated very fast. The oil will be heating very fast. And also when the oil is heating, so the garri will fairies in a very good condition. And then it will be pulling the pull of the cassava. Oh no, pull the garri. Hello everyone, if you are interested in our equipment or interested in our machine, Please leave a message in the commentary, okay? Let me know that you are interested and let me know you need this kind of equipment. And then it will be packing the Garri flower. Here is packing machine. And okay, here goes the Garri processing line. Here is what we said before. If you are interested in only one machine, you can leave a message for me. But if you are interested in the different kind of machine, you can also leave a message to me, because we can give the different suggest to different customers. Here is the whole processing line like this. So if you want to ask me if I have the equipment, how to put them in the factory. Okay, so here is how to put it in the factory. First, the feeding hopper, and then go to the belt conveyor to the other things. So if you are interested, please leave a message to me. Thank you guys for fermentation. And here it is cassava. And also this one is the processing line, and the Garri is look like this. It's yellow color, in a very good color. So here's the photo, is the real equipment in our factory. These pictures are the real equipment in the factory. So our company is in the Henan province, Zhengzhou province. If you are interested in our company or you are interested in our office, you can all go to China, and we will give you a car ride, and it's for free. Okay, no problem. And also here comes the cassava peeler. Peeler is for peel the cassava into the white skin, right? Make the skin out. And then here is the fermentation. Okay, and this photo shows the traditional fermentation. It's nearly 2 to 3 days. It takes a longer time, but if you want to use the tank, use the tank like I show the video for you in the few minutes ago. And the tank is also can using for the fermentation, and the time will be shorter than this one. And then here is the cassava grater. Grater is for make the cassava into very small pieces. And here is the cassava peeler. Peeler is very easy to use, and it can be changed the sandpaper over the roller. And here is a hydraulic press. So if you are interested in the only one machine of this picture, you can leave a message for me. Thank you. And this one is a hammer crusher. And here is a Garri Ferrier. It's Garri and the packer vibration save. Stable rotating need of inner spiral. This is our dry save advantage. And the second one here is the paddle washing machine, and it is good for the washing and peeling effect. Okay, and here is a high peeling rate to 95%. Cassava peeler. Hello everyone, let me know you are in the live stream, okay? Let me have a rest. So the last picture is hot cell equipment. Hot cell equipment. I think everyone want to doing the Garri processing line. You need this kind of equipment. And also here is the new one. Here is the old one. Let's have a look. First one is the Garri Ferrier, and this one is good for using. And the second is a grinding machine. It can directly to broken the cassava into very small pieces. And if you like this more, you can also leave a message to me. And here is the peeling machine, and it is use the sandpaper roller and the friction the cassava. Here is a hydraulic press. Here is a big hammer and push it in the cassava. Okay, so here is the saturation of the different kind of factory within this within the equipment, and they using. So hello everyone, if you are interested in our cassava processing line, please leave a message in here. Okay, leave a message in here. We are a company in China, Henan province. And the equipment is more cheaper than your countries, or cheaper than America, cheaper than France, yes. Okay, so here's photos are our customers and our saturation. Most of them are making the cassava starch, right? Okay, so here it goes the company profile. This one is our factory. Our factory is in Henan province, but it is in the other town. It is named Wuzhi province. It is in the it is near to our office. Our office is in the Henan JINRUI province. It's easy to find in your Google map. Okay, so this one is our factory. Our factory named the JINRUI Engineering Limited Company. The subsidiary company of Doing Holdings Limited Company. It is a comprehensive tuber starch and flour processing equipment, manufacturing, ingredient, technological design, research and development, machine production, sales, and after-sales service with together. Okay, and the cassava starch processing line, sweet potato or potato starch processing line, and also yam starch processing line, cassava flour processing line, and also fufu or garri processing line. So this 1, 2 is in my office picture, and this 2 picture is in the factory. So also here is the service of our company. Our company is over the 2,000 customers. They are interested in our equipment, and also exporting country is over than 30 country, right? And maybe in this year, our company it will exporting the equipment to over 19 countries, very big number of countries, right? And here is a technical engineering. Our office have more than 15 engineering, and the professional installation team is over the 20s. And also the intentions of the customers is over 100. And also here we provide the technical support for whole day, all the day. We can give you a phone call or give you a WhatsApp number, okay? So, and here is a certificate of our company. Yes, no problem. So if you are interested in our company, please leave a message in the commentary, okay? Just in the commentary, let me know what you want, and we can provide our best service for you. And don't worry about, you are a Chinese company. We don't believe Chinese. No, that's wrong, okay? Because Chinese, it is more convenient in these days. And also our equipment are export to America or to the UK. Many different kind of developed country, they have our equipment. But also we have the equipment in Mexico or in Africa. It is how many different kind of project in these countries. And also, if you are interested in our TikTok, we also have TikTok. And these days, the America forbids the TikTok in America, right? But I think maybe American people they are interested in our Chinese culture or interested in our Chinese food, Chinese people. We don't know. I'm not sure, but it is a good thing that Chinese people can show ourselves more. We can show ourselves about the equipment, our language, our cultures, and it is a good thing, I think. And it can make the worldwide people to know the Chinese people's and Chinese people, we are very warm-hearted and very outgoing, and also so believe us, we can do the equipment very well. Don't worry. So let's look at the Garri processing line again. So first, here is the cassava. We use a forker to make the cassava into the feeding hopper. And look at the bottom of this hopper. Here is a vibrating sieve. It can sieve the cassava more separately on the belt conveyor. Yes, so if anyone is interested in our equipment, please leave your WhatsApp number to me, okay? Please leave your WhatsApp number to us. And here we have the salesperson to call your WhatsApp number more directly. And in China, the new year will be coming soon, so our company will be closed today. We have the very long system. We have a long holiday. And we will be start at January 4th. And if you are interested in the equipment, you can waiting for January and you can go to China, and we will making you have fun in China, in Henan. And look at here is a 3D animation for the processing line, Garri processing line. Yeah, so if you are interested, please leave a message. Okay, don't worry, we are the best Chinese people. And here goes 2 tanks. It is using for fermentation. But also, if you want, you can choose the fermentation under the sunlight. It's all okay. But using the tank, it will be shorter your fermentation time. It will save time or save your budget. And then it will go to the grinding machine to grinding the cakes. Yes, look at this one. This one is for grinding the cake to the very finest powder. Hello everyone, here is JINRUI Engineering Limited Company. Here is JINRUI. So if you are interested in our company's equipment, or you are interested in the whole processing line, please leave a message to me, okay? Please leave your WhatsApp number to me in the private way, okay? I know that you guys are in the early morning, but in China, here is nearly, it is in the afternoon. So I'm doing this live stream. It has a time difference, but don't worry. If you are wake up, you are get up from the bed, you can call us, okay? You can leave your WhatsApp number in the comment, in the private way. In a private message, it's all okay. And here is a Garri processing line. And I will ending my live stream in 6 minutes later. So if anyone is interested in our company's equipment, please leave a message to me. Leave a private message, okay? Don't worry. And our company is in Henan JINRUI. It's in Henan Zhengzhou province. And also, if you are interested in our equipment, or you're interested in our office, our limited company, you can go to Henan. You can go to Henan very fast. And I know that For now, maybe you guys come to China, you needn't need the passport, right? It will provide you the 6-hour passport, right? For you guys to travel in China. Yes, as I know that there are many Korea people in Shanghai, right? Many Korea people in Shanghai, and they are hanging on our street. It's very funny. Yeah, it's very funny. And this one is a grinding machine. It will be grinding the cassava cake into the cassava powder, Garri powder, sorry. This processing line is making the Garri. So welcome everyone, here is JINRUI Food Limited Engineering Company. Here is JINRUI Food Engineering Limited Company. So if you guys are interested in our engineering, or you are interested in our company, please go to China and we can have a detailed look. We have different kind of processing line. This one is the Garri processing line. Also, we have the cassava starch, cassava flour, and also fufu processing line, whole processing line, and the whole equipment we can provide it to you. And here is our Garri Fairies. It is very good using, and the Garri Fairies it's also can use very longer time. And if your equipment are broken or have problem in 1 year, we can provide like what? How to pronounce this word? Sorry. Yes, you can change a new one in my company. Yes, you can change a new one. Okay, so hello everyone. Here is Henan JINRUI Food Engineering Limited Company. If you are interested in our equipment or interested in the Garri processing line, you can leave a message, and also you can leave your WhatsApp number. Our salesperson will contact you very soon as possible. And here is paddle washing for washing the cassava into the very clean, and then it will go to the peeler. It can peel the skin of the cassava, and here comes the water too, and the friction will be more good as this way. Okay, so if here is no one want to notice me, I will be end of my live stream. Okay, guys. But thank you for watching my live stream. Very many thanks. Okay. See you next time. See you over our holiday.
Okay, bye.